Yo, what's good, Poke fan? We back again once again, only on the Poke Dares channel. Pack a day challenge 4 years straight. Day number 284, and we keeping that streak alive to 365. You dig? Let's go with we're going with the whole crew. So we did a Heracross, we did a Gengar, we did Charizard. So the other person on these packs is Lapuna. So let's give this a shot and see if we get some good in 284 with Lapuna. Let's go, family. If you're new to the space of the Poke Dares channel, gaming, vlogging, streamings, pack openings, pack battles, all that great stuff, hit that like button, share the content, tell a friend to tell a friend. The Poke Dares channel, we live in the reg, family. Love y'all, appreciate the support, and I wouldn't have got this far if it wasn't for the whole Poke squad. You dig? And to all my relatives that been here since the beginning, to all my Poke cousins, hey, what's goody, what's good? Hit that like button, share the content. That like button is free and it don't cost you nothing. You already know. Pound that pound button. Hit that like button. You already know. Pause. Let's go. Let's get it. QR code for the family. Fam bam, thank you, ma'am. Gone. Let's get it. 284, family. 284. 284. We making it. We making it. Come on, give us something good. Give us something good. Ooh.
I'm leaving here with something. You know what I mean? I'm from around the way. I'm leaving with something.
Okay, we got a battle cage. Nice. I like this. This is fire. Hold on. Hold up. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, wait a minute. Bam. Look at that, family. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. I'm looking through the phone right here. So y'all like, why are you looking over there? So I'm just getting, make sure the visual right. That is nice. Okay. Sweet, sweet. We needed this. Okay. So we do got us a hit in 284. Okay. Everything's looking on the uppity up. We're gonna sleeve that up. Make sure that's some good savings. Gonna add that to the binder. Get a chance of winning this battle cage. Okay. And it is the stadium trainer. Cool, cool. And we're gonna put that to our giveaway binder. As you can see, it's been stocking up. We've been loading the giveaway binder up. Looking good. It's looking really, really good. We're gonna get it full, y'all. Like I said, we get this binder full. That's when the giveaway will be happening. And we're gonna be putting out more stuff to win, like binders, all that great stuff. So we're gonna sleeve this up in there, real deal time, so you can see it. Bam. Part of the giveaway. Like I said, all you gotta do if you wanna win some of these nice, beautiful cards, you need any card for your collection or bulk, just hit that like, share, and subscribe, and just drop a comment in one of the videos. If you're already part of the family, leave your name, you'll be part of the giveaway. So I appreciate all the love and support, and don't miss out. Just leave a comment, sub up to the channel, or get somebody to sub up to win you an extra ticket to be a part of the giveaway. You already know what it is. Gotta collect them all. Gotta catch them all. Till next time, family. Peace.